Just a quick look at Bitcoin on the lower time frame on our central command trading terminal with our cheat code overlays. So you can see over here, Bitcoin 15-minute chart. We have the smart overlays, the range deviation, and the EMA ribbon. These are just one click, very simple to use. This platform is completely free, and so are the overlays. The details are in the description down below, so you can play around with that for yourself if you want. It's made a massive difference to my own trading, and that's kind of why we built it. So we have a bit of an edge in choosing positions and understanding these trends rather than just guessing. So this is all just based on price action. There's no emotions, no bias, no getting tired. It's just purely based on how we've programmed these indicators to work. And when it is starting to get to an oversold range, it is blue, as you can see over here. And when it's overbought, it is red. So the blue, it warns it is oversold, that it's not going to continue lower, most likely, right? Number one. Number two, it's a possible signal to close open shorts from higher up, because it's probably going to bottom or reverse. And number three, how I like to use it for reversals and finding trades is after the blue, once we get the EMA ribbon flip, so right over here, that is a signal to long, can enter a long position, stop just below the lows, targeting the first time it turns red. And you can see that's probably a nice 1 to 2 risk reward. That's obviously all relative to the time frame that we are trading on. So you can see over here, we went from about 61,750, and at the first signs of red was basically 65,000. So that's almost a $3,000 move from low to high, and the entry point would have been about here, 62,500. So that would have been about a $2,500 move, and if you do that with some leverage, that's pretty nice. Now, why I'm making this video specifically today also is because we have just had the inverse happen. So we've had the red and a little bit here, the big red over here. So this is a warning. Number one, not to be longing into this because it's overheated. Number two, if you had open longs from down here, to consider closing those. And number three, now we have the inverse signal for a potential short. And based on how this works is we have the red, we have the EMA ribbon flip, right? The price is below the ribbon. And in theory now, the stop should be just about the highs. We take a short position over here, and we are targeting until it turns blue again, which could be anywhere. I mean, if it's the same kind of move, we're probably looking at, well, we can very clearly see we have a fair value gap here. That might be a target around 63,250, but maybe we go all the way back down to 62K. And that's what I'm looking for based on this. And you can see this works over and over again. So this is not some random guessing or gambling. No, it's the system that I've come to use here based on these indicators. You have blue, wait for the ribbon flip, long until red, and then when it's red, we wait for the ribbon flip, we short with a stop above the high, targeting blue, and it just works over and over and over again. And maybe sometimes you'll get stopped out, sure, maybe sometimes it'll be a little bit different, but in general, I found this to be pretty accurate, and this is something that I'm following, and I think it can be pretty helpful, even just as a sort of visual guidance to, well, okay, when it's blue, maybe be careful and don't bottom short. And maybe when it's red, just wait for a pullback before longing and don't long straight into the red, because it does seem to work pretty well. You can see here, also last time it was blue here at around 62, it went back up, right? And if you zoom in a little bit, you can see when it turns red, it's a warning. Over here blue, over here red. Very nice. This is just the 15-minute chart. It works obviously in all time frames and all pairs. And like I said, it's completely free. The platform is free, the overlays are free, and we even have cool stuff like here, like the liquidation levels, which you can just toggle on or off. This is pulling real-time data from leverage positions into the overlays, and you can see where that max pain is. You can see here at about 66,000, a lot of shorts would get liquidated, but over here at about 61.3, well, then there's a lot of longs that would get liquidated, and a bunch of longs here, also at 64.2. So this is very interesting to see. You can get free access. The details are in the description down below.